In today's video, we will see different ways to run Endnote application in Windows. First way to run Endnote application is, from Windows Start option. Press Windows key on keyboard or click Start button on Windows taskbar. Type Endnote. Endnote application icon will appear on the result pane. Click on the Endnote application icon, to run the application. Second way to run Endnote application is by clicking Desktop Shortcut. If Endnote Shortcut is not available on the Windows desktop, then we will create Endnote Shortcut by ourselves. Press Windows key on keyboard or click Start button on Windows taskbar. Type Endnote. Endnote application icon will appear on the result pane. Right-click on the Endnote icon, then click Open File Location. Right-click on Endnote icon, select Send to, then click on Desktop Create Shortcut option. Once the shortcut is created on desktop, you can run Endnote by clicking on it. Third and most recommended way to run Endnote is, run it from within the Microsoft Word application. Run Microsoft Word application. Click on Endnote tab, then click Go to Endnote option, as shown in the picture.